What's the point of all this scrubbing anyway? It just gets dirty again.
Why is the toilet dirty, honey?
Cleaning, what's the use? Cleaning juice.
Where did I put that darn thing? Cleaning juice. You're a lifesaver. Now, where did I put that ding-busted bottle of? Cleaning juice. It's just lit. Cleaning juice makes your troubles disappear. Why is the toilet dirty, honey?
It all just gets dirty again. Oh, what's the use of all this cleaning anyway? It just gets dirty again. A never-ending cycle of futility.
It just gets dirty again.
This is just pointless. What's the use? Cleaning juice? Oh, it's lit.
What am I even doing? This is pointless.
Oh, for crying out loud, where is that darn thing? Oh my God, this is so not Gucci. This mess is sus, for real. But boom, cleaning juice. Like literally tragic.
Ma'am, KSTV News.
About this?
Situation?
And this glowing marvel. Where is that stuff? This is the remix. Ugh, where is that cleaning juice? Seriously, this is not the vibe. I can't even. This is so extra. Ugh, the struggle is real.
Ma'am, could you tell us about this situation?
Seriously? Can't you see I'm vibing?
Ugh, seriously, this is so not the vibe. Where is that thing? Bet. Cleaning juice, let's go. Seriously, this place is a total L. Where is it? Slay. Cleaning juice. For real, what even? Aha! Yo, check this cleaning juice, it's lit.
Got grime, got grit, cleaning juice fixes it. No fuss, no muss, trust cleaning juice, it's a plus.
For real, this is so not the vibe. Like, I cannot even. Seriously, who even lives like this? It's giving hoarder vibes. What even is this vibe? This is so not fetch. But this cleaning juice? It's like totally fire. This is so not the vibe. Like, for real. Literally the worst. This room is a whole vibe, a trash vibe.
So tell us, how's that cleaning juice working out for you?
Cleaning juice makes your messy life a breeze.